Here on the finance chapter, we're going to teach you everything about auto financing, which should be a forethought, not an afterthought. So just like a real estate agent would pre-qualify you when you buy a house, you have to pre-qualify yourself when you buy a car. So if you ever show up at the car dealer and you don't have your pre-approval for financing, you are a potential victim who will pay the highest interest rate. And you never want to be blindsided in the finance office after buying a car and then all of a sudden you're sitting there and you got rejected for the loan. That happens to people who did not plan. That will not happen to you because you're here on carbuyingtips.com and you're going to read everything and be educated and you will plan properly. So the biggest financing mistake that most people make is they don't check online first to see what the current loan rates are. And they also don't know what their current credit history is to see whether or not their credit can even support buying a new car. And this is why financing often falls through at the car dealership. So in this chapter on financing here on carbuyingtips.com, we're going to teach you everything you need to know about creating your budget. We're going to teach you how to decide whether or not your current financial picture can support you even buying a new car at this time. We're going to teach you how to get your credit report and how to get your credit score, which you must get with the credit report. Your credit score is what the car dealers use to determine whether or not you're going to get a loan and how much your interest rate is going to be. So we'll also show you how to increase your chances for getting approval for a new car loan and also how to refinance your way out of a bad car loan as well. So when you apply for loans online and you get approved, they send you an empty check that you can just simply fill out at any used car dealership or a new car dealership. And people always email me, well, how do I know, how can I fill out this application if I don't know how much the car costs yet? Well, you're approved up to a certain amount and you just fill out the check and sign it over to the dealer and you're done. It's that simple. So before you head into the car dealership, make sure that your folder has in it your credit report with your credit score to keep the dealer honest. And it should also have your pre-financing all approved, ready to go. And you should read this entire chapter from start to finish before you do anything. Read this whole finance chapter. And good luck out there and let us know how you did.